Good morning, class 11. In the subject mathematics today, I will start new chapter relations and functions, which is next chapter based on your set theory. And today first we will define relation, and before defining relation, today we will discuss first multiplication of sets, which is defined as Cartesian product of two sets. So how do we multiply two sets? This we will explain first because it will be used to define relation later on. So the multiplication of two sets is not your what actually algebraic multiplication, as the concept is abstract. Therefore it is called Cartesian product of two sets, and to define relation we need to define A cross B first, as I have told already. And now first we will define product of two sets A and B. So if A and B are two non-empty sets, then A cross B is defined as a set collecting ordered pairs AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So it is in terms of coordinates AB, where A is taken from set A and B is from second set B. That is, similarly A cross B cross C, when you have to multiply three sets, then I have taken it as the collection of all those elements x, y, z such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B and z belongs to C in the same way. So it is a triplet, and that was ordered pair. It is ordered triplet for three set products. So if NA equal to P, you have to remember this. Number of elements in A is P and number of elements in B is Q. Then number of elements in A cross B is defined as NA cross NB. That is, the total number of elements will be PQ, P into Q. So through example I will explain it now. Example 1 I have taken, if A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, B is set of 4, 5, then A cross B is defined as, so you have to take x coordinate of A and all the y coordinate you have to make pairing with B. So 1, 4 is first pairing, then 1 as pairing with 5, 1, 5. Then similarly you have to take 2 as x coordinate and its pairing with all y coordinate as B. So 2, 4, 2, 5. Then 3 is third element, 3, 4, 3, 5. And you can check number of elements in A cross B must be 6, which is 6. There are 6 ordered pairs. And B cross A, now B will be your first set 4, 5 multiplied by set 1, 2, 3. So you will get 4, 1 ordered pair first, then 4, 2, then 4, 3, then 5, 1, then 5, 2, then 5, 3. So again there are 6 ordered pairs, but they are different. Hence Cartesian product of two sets is not commutative. Now example 2, if A equal to set of minus 1, 1, find A cross A cross A. So here multiplication of sets A by A and 3 times. So A cross A is defined as minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma 1 1 comma minus 1 1 comma 1 cross multiplied or cross Cartesian product with minus 1 into 1. So first you have to define A cross A, which I have defined in terms of ordered pairs, and then it has to be multiplied by the set minus 1 cross 1. So you will get minus 1, 8 elements, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, second triplet minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Same way you have to do triplicating them. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 and 1 1 1. So these are 8 elements in A cross A. And third example is, if A equal to 1 to 3, B is 3 4 and C is 1 3 5, find A cross B union C. So first you will find B union C as 1 3 4 5, and then A cross B union C is 1 1 1 3 1 4 1 5 2 1 2 3 2 4 2 5 3 1 3 3 3 4 and 3 5 ordered pairs. So this way you can define A cross B union C. Then example 4, this is for your doing. If A equal to elements, set of elements Lmn, B is set of elements xy, and C is set of elements pqr, then find first part A cross B, second B cross C, third A union B cross C, fourth A cross B cross C. So this example 4 is for your assignment. There are 4 questions here, 4 parts, which you have to answer in example 4. And after that, show it to me.